Okay, let me go down to Trailhead. Okay, so in Trailhead, if you look at it, right, okay, in Trailhead, once you log in, you can go here hands-on. Okay, when you click hands-on, okay, this particular screen will be displayed. Okay, see, this Trailhead is the place where developers can come and learn it, or administrators can come and learn it. Okay, Salesforce created in such a way that in Trailhead, you can create multiple organizations. Okay, it is just a playground. You can create it multiple organization. It is not for the production purpose. Okay, you can create a multiple organization. See, now if you look at this organization word, right, now you know what we are doing it. So you can create a new playground organization. Okay, once you create it, right, you can say launch. If you launch it, you will get the Salesforce site. Okay, see here, now if you look at all these words, you know what the people are talking about. See, opportunity, lead, account, contact, campaign, all these are the standard objects, whatever we talked about. And of course, we can create a task. See, whatever I gave you, it's just, few key items only I explained you. There are lot of Salesforce objects are there out of the box. So if you look at it, right, say example accounts. Whenever you create this default organization in Trailhead, right, Trailhead by default puts some sample data. Okay, these are the sample data. You guys can go and look at it. Okay, and also if you want, you can create a new accounts too. In the Salesforce organization, if you want, you can go and play around. You can create a new account. Okay, this is one area where you can work on it. And when we are really launching this product to the end users, when I say end users, the employees and all those people, okay, this is the kind of place where the employees will work. Okay, when customer is calling, if they want to create a new customer, they're saying that I'm a new customer, I want to buy your product, then the sales representative will go and click new, and then he will start filling this form. Okay, now once this is done, okay, but if you look at it, you are now logged in as an administrator who can work on the Salesforce. Okay, here is the difference. The word administrator in Salesforce is a little bit different from the word administrator what you might have heard in your IT industry. Okay, so typically in our IT industry, we call administrators is a someone who go and install the software or manage the software. That's a person we call it as an administrator, right? And other people will call it as a developer, tester, like that, right? But in case of Salesforce, the call it as administrator. Administrator are the person who logs into Salesforce, who can create a new object, who can create a new field, who can customize the Salesforce to meet the business need. Okay, they call them as administrators. Okay, these administrators are not the people who go install Salesforce. No, the Salesforce is already available for you guys. Okay, you go and customize it on top of it. That is one type of user. And then the company employees, who are the people who serve the customers. Okay, employees are the users of the Salesforce. Okay, they can come and they can use it. Now you logged into Trailhead. From Trailhead, you accessed this particular organization. Okay, this particular organization, Trailhead organization, as an administrator, as a person who can customize the Salesforce. Okay, so because you are logged in as an administrator, you will have this particular option, settings. Okay, if you go into settings setup, right, this is the place where you can create a new custom object. You can do quite a lot of all the customization and administration related work. Okay, this is one of the key part. Okay, anyway, when you go through Trailhead, right, you will be using all these things.